Hello everyone, welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching World of Sensors using Arduino UNO and sensor expansion board from the Seeed Studio Grow kit. Alright guys, so in this lesson we will look at a new sensor called vibration sensor. So this is how the vibration sensor looks like. So what it does, well, let's take a look. So basically vibration sensor, it's also called SW420, is a high sensitivity non-directional vibration sensor. It's a high sensitivity non-directional vibration sensor. So you can imagine powerful it looks, right? So when this particular module is stable, straight like this, the circuit is turned on and output is high. That's how it works. When the movement or vibration occurs, the circuit will be briefly for a short period of time disconnected and the output becomes low, right? So you can see the digital output, right? High and low is the way we are going to play around with our C programming, right? At the same time, you can also adjust the sensitivity according to your own needs with this module. That's a small trim pod where we can adjust and kind of thing. So all in all, this is actually a very perfect module, sensor module for vibration or tilt sensor. You can also use it as a tilt sensor. The applications for this particular sensors can be many. All you need to do is just think and connect it. Anyways, now what you need to do is, guys, take out the vibration sensor from your kit and connect it to D2 port of your expansion board. All right, and then take a buzzer, small little buzzer sensor which comes along with the kit. You can use any other buzzer with 3 pins and connect that to the D3 port of the shield. Now let's go ahead and grab the code. It's a pretty straightforward code. So let's move on. I'm going to my GitHub. So if you go to my GitHub, that is the lesson number 11, vibration sensor. Click on this and then go to raw. There is no library for this because it's a pretty simple and straightforward code to trigger the buzzer. So I'm going to copy this, come to my GitHub. This is the previous code, previous lesson's code. I'll just copy it here and paste it. Now what we need to do, go to tools, go to the board, go to UNO, and then go to tools again, go to COM6. Yours might be different. I am going to upload this. All right, I will save this. Uploading. The sketch is getting uploaded. It's compiling right now. I hope there are no errors. Done uploading. There you go. Now I can see some buzzer sound as soon as I shake. Let me just share a circuit with you guys. All right, so let me just take it in my hand. Can you see? This is the vibration sensor and this is the buzzer. Let me just shake it a little bit. There you go. Can you see? With the vibration, the buzzer blows. This is interesting stuff, right? Isn't it? Perfect. So looks like a pretty interesting project, guys, and I think we can also build a couple of other applications using this entertaining sensor and buzzer, and you can activate relay circuits, you can activate a siren, you can activate any other sensors as well. So there are multiple ports right within the expansion shield. So we can think and do a lot of projects based on this particular sensor. I will see you soon. Goodbye.